In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your iPhone storage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then go into general and then iPhone storage. It may take a while for load this page, and once it is done it will show you your maximum capacity on that device and how much disk space is already taken by apps and other data. And also you will see here the list of apps and the amount of disk space that is taken by that particular app. You can scroll down or up, and then if you want to clear some disk space you can get into any app and then you can offload app or even delete it. Just hit add delete, and in that way you can easily one by one clear unused apps to free up some disk space. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.